So children, here is exercise 5.2 and we have to solve this question 3. Find the factors of the following numbers using division as well as multiplication method. But today we will find the factors with the help of multiplication of these numbers. Okay, here is a number 32. Okay, see, we are going to solve exercise 5.2 question 3 a 32 factors. See here, factors of a number by multiplication. Okay children, here 32. Now tell me first factor. Yes, 1 multiplied by 32. Yes, these two numbers, 1 and the number itself, is the factor of every number. Okay, after 1 we have to take 2. Now if we have to find here, look here, 32 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Take down these 2 and 2 6 are 12. Okay, look here, 12 minus 12, 0. So 2 multiplied by 16. See here children, when we find the factors by multiplication, we can take the help of division also. Okay, so 2 16s are 32. Now 3. See here, 3 means 32 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. If we take down these 2, there is no 2 in 3's table. So here remainder 2 means it's not, 3 is not a factor of 32. Okay. Now after 3, 4. Now tell me in 4's table if there is a 32. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. Yes, 4 eights are 32. Okay. Then after 4, 5. But 5 we cannot take because there is number 2 and in 5's table 0 and 5 are coming in 1's place. So 5 is also not possible. Then 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30 and 6 sixes are 36. So no, 6 is not, also not. Then 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So 32 is not in table 7. Now then 8, and yes, 8 fours are 32, and we already write here 4 eights are 32. So these are the factors of 32. So we have to write here, hence the factor, okay, factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Okay children, like this you have to solve the exercise 5.2 question 3. This is the solution of A. Okay, now one more example. Okay, see here, 75. Okay, 75 is equal to 1 multiplied by 70. Okay, then 2, but here is number 5 and 5 is odd number and 2 is divisible only even numbers. Okay children, so 2 is not a factor of 75. Then see 3. So we will do division here. 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Then take down this 5 and 3 5s are, yes, 3 5s are 15, and we get here remainder 0. So 3 multiply by this 25. So 3 25s are 75. Now 4, yes, 4 is even number, and this 75 ones place there is number odd, even 5 is odd number. But let's see 75 divided by 4. It is divisible or not. Okay, 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4, 3, and then 5. 7 ones are, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, and 4 9s are 36. So 4 8s are 32, and 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 3, and here is 3 remainder. So 4 is not a factor of 75. Okay children, after 4, 5. Okay, see here 5, 75 is here, and 5. 5 ones are 5, 7 minus 5, 2. Take down 5, and 5 5s are 25. Yes, remainder is 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So 5 15s are 75. Then again 6, 75 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 7 minus 6, 1. Take down this 5. There is no 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. If 6 2s are 12, 5 minus 2, 3. Means here we get remainder 3. So 6 is not a factor of 75. Then 7. 75 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Take down this 5. See here. 7 zeros are 0 and 7. No, we cannot divide this 5. So 7 is also not a factor of 75. Then 8. In 8 table there is no 75. 9. In 9 tables also there is no 75. 10. No. 11. No. 11 sevens are 77. But here is 75. Then 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. And 12 sevens are 12 sixes are 72. So 12 is also not. 13. There is no 75 in 30's table. 14. No. Then 15. Yes, 15 fives are 75. 15 fives are 75, but we already write here 5 15s are. So these are the factors of 75. Children, when you find the factors, you have to search that this number is in that table or it is divisible by this number. Okay, so hence factors of 75 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Okay, 1 and the number itself are common. Okay children, let's see one more example. 93. Okay, take this 93. Then you know 1 multiply by 93. Then 2. But here is number 3. This is odd number, and in 2's table there are all even numbers. So 2 is not a factor of 93. Then 3. Come on, see here. 93 divided by 3. Yes, 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Then take down these 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. So 3 multiply by 31. Okay children. 4. No. because here is a odd number. 5, no, because in 5's table there are numbers 0 and 5 only. Then 6, let's see. 6 is also not possible, but let's see. 93 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6, 3, 33. And there is no 33 in 6 table. So 6 is also not a factor of 93. Then 7. 93 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7, 2. And here is 23. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. So 23, no. So 7 is also not a factor of 93. Then 8, no, because in 8's table there are all even numbers. 9 ones are 9, but 3 is remaining. Okay, look here. 93 divided by 9, and there is 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 9, 0. If we take these 3, and we cannot divide 3 by 9. So 9 is also not a factor of 93. Then 10, no. 11 9s are 99, or 11 8s are 88. So 11 also not. Then 12, no. 13, let's see. 93, 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52, 13 5s are 65, 13 7s are 13. See here, 13 7s are 91. So 2, 9 minus 9, 0, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 remaining. So 13 is also not a factor of 93. Then 14, no. 15, no. 16. So children, there is no another factors of 93. Okay. So hence factors of 93 are 1, 3, 31 and 93. Okay children, these 4 are the factors of 93. Okay, like this you have to complete the exercise 5.2 question 3, factors of a number by multiplication only. Okay children, and we will solve this question 3, factors of a number by division, in next session. Okay children, I hope you have understood about the factorization. Thank you.